Today is a very special day because I'm out here at the Ohio Valley Antique Mall. Yes, I have practiced saying that with my friends Jocelyn and George. And apparently this place is huge. I've never been here. It's a bucket lister. I'm excited to go in. Jocelyn says it's super big. Whoa. Dude. Satin glass skulls. All right, well that didn't take long. What do we have here? A little biscuit jar. That's adorable, 30 bucks. And then poodle situation happening. I love the top hat poodle, $9. That's a good deal. I'm being a little particular at the moment. Oh my gosh, look at this rabbit, how fabulous. Oh, my plush have taken such a dive. Can't tell if that says 125 or 25. And look at this cute little kitschy planter. That's adorable. Unfortunately, it's got some serious paint loss on it. I kind of went rogue from the group. Oh, this is amazing. $109. And that one's really nice too. What is that thing? Peach glass vase, $135. Wow, that's a really wild one. Oh my gosh, I don't do sports figurines, but these are really good. How much are they for this set? This booth's kind of spendy, so it might be $79, $80 and repaired. Yeah, that's, you know what though? That's kind of fair. If I was keeping them for myself, the whole set is pretty epic. It's hard to find. And then what's back here? Have those cats right now. Or that cat, I should say. Well, I really like the look of this booth. Let's see. Some fun little dresses. What's this one? That's really fun. It's a top. That's for a small child. Look at the rubber chick. That's pretty adorable. What in the world is this? The original water whimsy. That's quite funny. $15. Jokes for the head. Little joke book. That's quite great. Hello, Cat Bank. $25. That is fabulous. Unfortunately, with the broken pedals, I don't think I can swing that. And that one's $12. That's a really good one. Dolphin Bank. Still looking for that thing that makes me break in. Oh my gosh, look at the wall pocket. $39 though. And then over here, St. Clair, right? Maybe not. Little underwhelmed still. I love the chicken set with the napkin holder. That's quite fantastic too. This is a really cool lamp. They got some really cool lamps. Look at these. These are really different. Lucite lamps. Really like that. Green and red. Cat spoon rest. Love these. 20 bucks. That's close to what I'd get for that after fees. I think my last one sold for like 32 or 28. 28 is what it was, I think. Let's see. Some Holt Howard Scarecrow Salt and Peppers. This coat is fabulous. Oh my gosh, and it's got the dress. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Oh. So at $30, that's pretty close to what I'd get for that after fees if I was buying it for myself. That's a steal. I have a few quite similar, and that is actually a Napier Bank. That's a good price. I've had them before though. I like the look of this booth too. The first thing that catches my eye is actually this peacock wall decor, and it's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. That's quite fabulous. Is that repaired though? Yeah, it looks like it's got a crack in it. Otherwise, I would totally get that for $17. I'm scared to ship it with the fact that it's starting to crack at its neck there. What about over here? Distress. Oh my gosh. $25. That's everything. What size is it? Looks small. Well, that's really freaking cool. World War II teapot. I feel like George would like that. So this is actually a pretty great pair of salt and pepper shakers. They're set as is, though. Also into the iRice Spaghetti Cat, or Sugar Cat, I should say, at $16, though. That's a little close. If it was a little bit less, I would do it. I don't see any discounts in this booth. See some St. Patrick's Day stuff. Really eclectic. Some really sweet little dresser box. A little too much wear for my taste, though. Poodle skirt. Ooh, I like this little rabbit planter back here. How much are you? 25 retail. What else? It's a really eclectic booth. I like the martini glasses, of course. Whoa. Hello. It's like a Playboy bunny troll. I also love the Roy Des. Those don't sell that well for me, but this one's really, really spectacular. If it was a little bit less, I'd do it. I actually think 25 is about what I'd get for that after fees if I was lucky. What's this? That's a really great little planter. $9. It's got a crack though, unfortunately. Well, it looks like it's gonna be mostly contemporary, but this is definitely worth investigation. So much jewelry. Okay, so what is as is about it? Chip on rim. There is a chip on the rim. Dang. Oh, that kills me. $90 with a chip. Oh, I don't know if I can do that. If it was for me, I wouldn't think twice about it at that price. Wow, that's really an amazing piece. And then look at this. This peach. That's really pretty. That's hard to leave. Hello, sir. 25. He's pretty great. Italian, too. Might be a little close. He's so good, though. Oh, he's got broken pieces, yeah. I think we'll leave it. All right, now we're talking. This looks like... I was gonna say it looks like Essie Zahar. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. It is Essie Zahar, or whatever it is, that I have a bunch of the Jack in the Pulpits that I'm obsessed with for $55. That is gonna come home with me. I think that's quite the steal. Wow, this is awesome. It's also $75. It's a really neat piece though. Ooh, and the little pink and red lucite grapes. 42, single cat shaker, can't do that. Oh, I do love the orange beret though. That's so great. Angry Cupid with the heart. 15. He's a little too angry for me for $15, I think. Oh. Wow. This is really hard to find. $30. Oh, is it repaired? Is that why? Oh, it's repaired in multiple places. That's a shame. I was about to get that. I was gonna offer George dibs, though. I know how he likes World Fair stuff. That's upsetting. Okay, what else do we have here? This is really quite pretty, isn't it? How much is that? $25. I love the rhinestones on it. Some head vases. This is one I haven't had, $55. The bonnet girl's quite fabulous, but a little bit close for me considering the content. My head vases are kind of hit or miss. I picked a really awesome one up at the Heart of Ohio yesterday, though. Look at this guy. How great. I think he's gonna be priceless. He still squeaks, though. Looks like, yeah, Dreamland. That's a really good maker of squeak toy. Unfortunately, with no price, can't really too much about that. I like the looks of this booth though, so I'm not too upset about it. Jocelyn already sent me a picture from this booth. She was looking at this amazing little rubber lamb. Let's see. And the funny doll. Okay, so now let's see what she didn't send to me in a picture. The hat. This is pretty great. How much is that? 12 bucks. George and I saw one similar yesterday at Heart of Ohio that we both really appreciated. Oh, I like the pink pencil case. Oh, it's bath soap. Ick. Just kidding. Okay, but like, look at Fancy Eyes. I'm surprised she left that. That's pretty epic. The doll head pick, $7.50. She's great. And $2 on the moon globe bangle. I'll take that. It's really pretty. Should I ask her why she didn't send me a picture of this purse? That's so good. What's down here? Wow, look at the grape lamp. That's so fantastic. $69. That's so great. And speaking of purses, check out this one. Very strange. Someone obviously made it. Alex would like that. Whoa, okay. Some case situation happening here. Kind of thinking of saving the cases till the end. There's a few things I already see, like the story, the nursery realm. Oh my God, I can't even. In case you're wondering why I lost my train of thought, it's because of this perfume bottle right there. This looks more up my alley. Look at this thing. Oh, no, it's not. Just kidding. I thought it was going to be like a weird girl figurine. Or character, I should say. This gold purse is pretty fabulous. 20 bucks. This looks up my alley. Lots going on here. Okay. So first of all, see this guy? That's a great planter. $23. That's not bad. A little bit more than I'd like to have invested in it for resale though. And then crazy owl. Italy. 25. That's kind of cool. I'm a little surprised Jocelyn didn't pick this guy up. It's really different. It's a picture though. I'm not sure how well that would do. I definitely wouldn't lose money. I feel like I never see Italian owls. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it and stop being weird. I can get that way sometimes. Let's see, the decanters are freaking awesome. Hold on. We gotta investigate these. They're hobbyist pieces. That's different. I almost thought those would be Italian too. Well, I did have the thought to look it up because the fact that it had the handle on it was kind of throwing me. I like that. I would like it better if it was just a planter, but they don't sell for as much as I thought they would, so I think I'm gonna leave it for that price. Now these are missing the tops. $24. That's cheap. The tops are the hardest part to find though, so I think I'm gonna leave it. The head base has a chip. Lots of like almosts going on here. Well, this booth is definitely up my alley. Funeral, teeth, all the things. This one's kind of crazy. Look at this molar display. Is that what that is? God, it's so heavy. 38. That's wild. I love the old, well, not that old, but medical displays and such. This is super eclectic back here.